Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect SafePal to Trust Wallet and what you actually need to know before attempting it. Many people mistakenly assume that Trust Wallet supports direct integration with a wide range of hardware wallets, but that isn't accurate. At the moment, Trust Wallet only provides native support for connecting a Ledger device. When you go through the process of adding a new wallet, Ledger is the only hardware option that appears and no other devices are listed. This limitation means that other popular hardware wallets, such as SafePal, cannot be directly connected or managed within Trust Wallet. While you can still use SafePal through its own app or other compatible platforms, there is currently no way to link it directly to Trust Wallet's interface, which restricts users who prefer consolidating all their wallets in one place. That being said, SafePal is still fully usable, but if you're tired of juggling multiple wallets and want a simpler way to move money, I recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise is one of the cheapest and most reliable services out there, with transparent fees and real exchange rates. Best part? If you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is free with zero fees. Quick setup, free account, and it works worldwide.